In this video, we are going to show you how to customize widget colors and fonts in Elfsight. Now, once you've logged into your Elfsight account and you're working on a widget, so for example, let's just go to social. Let's find a widget to use, right? Sometimes it does take some time. Explore widgets. For example, we want to do LinkedIn feed, right? So create widget for free. Click on this and just choose a template you want to choose. For example, we're just going to stick with carousel. So this is what carousel looks like, right? So here, click this green button that says continue with this template. So once you do that, you're going to have a menu here, right? So you want to click on style. So this is where you can actually change the widget colors, right? You can change the colors, right? There you go. We're going to stick with blue, as you can see, because that's what in LinkedIn's color is. And then when it comes to the font, default, you have several options here. Let's say you want Alerta stencil. So it's going to be that. And then all you need to do is add to website for free. It's going to save automatically and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.